Hello friends, in this session we will discussing another programming related question. So the question is, write number from 1 to 100 and count how many times 1 has been written. So first I have written numbers from 1 to 20 as it is long to write all the numbers till 100. We will write a program to find out like how many times 1 is being written from 1 to 20. As you can see, this one repeat itself 12 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, so we will write the program which will identify like the one is repeating itself 12 times from 1 to 20. Okay, so first I have created one class called repetition of number. In that I have created main method. In that I have created one variable called number and initialized with the value which we wanted to identify how many times repeating. Then I have created another variable called repetition. So first I have initialized this with 0 as I wanted to calculate. This will help me to calculate like how many times one is being written or used. After that I have created this variable I. As you can see, I haven't created this in for loop because at the end I wanted to use this variable. As you can see here, I have used it so that it will give us some proper message. That's why I have created here rather than creating this variable inside for loop. Okay, so what we will do, we will first start this variable from 1, then it will keep on going till 20, as first we wanted to check till 20 only. Then it will increase by 1, so that we will be putting the condition on each and every number like 1 2 3 4 and so on. And after that what I have done, first I have converted this integer variable into string, so I'll be able to apply the contains condition on that. And as you can see, I have used another method like toChar array, and this will help to break the integer type which is having length more than 1. As you can see, 11 contains 1 twice, so I wanted to check that. So in order to achieve that, I have used one idea like if I will break this string into an character, so it will be easy for me. First we will go through all the numbers. In that, if the number is having length more than 1, so there can be a possibility like 1 can repeat itself twice in a single number. So that's why I have used this toChar array. So after that we got one array of digits. So to go through of this array, I have used another for loop which starts from 0, as array indexing starts from 0 and it will keep on going till the length of this digit. And in that, as you can see, the digit j, first I have converted this into an string, then we apply the condition contains on string and we verified whether it contains our required number which we are looking for or not. If it is true, then it will go into the body and the repetition flag will increase by 1. So in this way we will be able to achieve the repetitions of 1. So let's just try to execute this program so that we'll be able to get a more clarity on this program. Okay, yes, we wanted to save this. Okay, so it says 1 repeat itself 12 times till 20. So as we have already seen this, that 1 repeat itself 12 times only. As you can see, once again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, so let's just try to execute this with 200 and let's see what it says. Okay, so it says 1 repeat itself 140 times till 200. Okay, so this was all for this session. I hope you must have enjoyed. Stay tuned and happy learning.